little how-to video for all of those poor human beings that are suffering from eczema or psoriasis. It is a do-it-yourself bath soak. So what you're going to need is either a muslin cloth, or you can get these from Pick n Pay. These little guys, they're called super wipes. I'll show you a picture, but I think it will be mirrored. So these little chimes. And then you need a piece of string, which I have cut to about 1.2 meters. Really easy, just take a ruler and then fold it around 4 times. There we go, some maths. And the important ingredient, ground oatmeal. So you need between 1.5 to 3 cups. If you're doing this for the first time, I would just do 1.5 cups. So just measure it out and start that way. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to make this. It's really easy. Okay, so let's make this little bugger. So first of all, you lie your muslin or your super white cloth flat on the surface, and then you take your ground oatmeal and you place it into the center of the cloth. And then you connect each of the corners. And then just tuck in these little sides so that there are no gaping holes. Hold it tightly. Then you get your string. And you put it around. Just make sure that this is equal at the end. And then you're going to tie this around a couple more times just to secure it. Then you're just going to do a little knot. And then you're going to take the ends and you're going to do a little double tie. So that's so you can attach it to the bath tap. There you go. Okay, so once you're done, you take the extra bit of string that you've left over and you tie it over the tap. If you've got one of those baths that's got a hot water and a cold water tap, put it under the hot water so that the water runs through this guy into the bath. And then add 1 cup of raw unfiltered organic apple cider vinegar. Very important about the raw and unfiltered bit, otherwise it doesn't really do much. And then relax and soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Depending on how severe your condition is, I would do this 2 to 3 times a week. And then once it gets better, I would just do it once the joint rupture of the eczema or the psoriasis flares up. Do this little china. So, hope you guys are all surviving lockdown and all of that jazz. Sending you lots of love out there. Hope this helps all of you poor little eczema and psoriasis sufferers. Watch this space. I will be launching my new skincare range called Edgy Eczema very soon. I'm on the final phase of testing, so very exciting. All the information in regards to the benefits of the ingredients in terms of oatmeal and the apple cider vinegar will be on my blog, and the link will be down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Tash. and subscribe to my blog for all the wonderful beauty tips that you require in your life. Big hug.